What is up, guys? So for today's video, we are here in Valencia Twin Lakes. So the Twin Lakes is located in San Jose, and it's around a 14-kilometer drive from Dumaguete City. So we're getting close to the lake, guys. Kaning Twin Lakes, this is an 8,000 hectare protected area which covers Valencia, Gimalyn, and San Jose. So as you can see, it's such a big area. So ilang entrance for Filipinos is just 50 pesos, while for foreigners, it is 100 pesos. And then moask pud sila, guys, o vaccination card. Sadly, wala na available nga kayak karon. Although you can rent a bangka, there's gonna be a guide who will take you there, and you can visit their watchtower and also the other side of the lake, which is Lake Danao. So Balinsasayao Lake is a crater lake that formed due to a volcanic eruption that happened thousands of years ago. Now Balinsasayao Lake is just one out of 3 crater lakes we have here in Negros. Now this lake has a surface area of around 76 hectares. So as you can imagine, it is quite a vast lake. Ang boating ninyo, sir, is 250? Paingon sa Lake Danao? Alright, guys, so na sila option diri nga pwede mo sakay sa ilang boat, and a guide will take you to the other side. There we go. So right now we hopped in this wooden boat and we are on our way to Ulayan Falls, which is around 25-30 minutes boat ride. And then once we get there, we're also gonna do a 10-minute hike to get to the falls. So ang advantage sa waterfalls, guys, Sky, what's the advantage, Mike?
We can go swimming.
We can go swimming. Prohibited naman gud ang pagligo diri sa lake, guys, since they're using it as a water source. So back then, when we used to come here, mag-swimming rami diha sa edges or even in the middle. Pero karon dili na pwede. So if ever you guys come here, I would advise that you guys take a boat ride all the way to the falls. That way makaswim pud mo. So this is our guide for today, guys. Si Ma'am Gimalyn. So she's gonna take us to the waterfalls. Just right over there, guys, ang way to the other side of the lake, which is Lake Danao. So it's the other twin. It's a slightly smaller lake compared to its bigger twin here, which is Lake Balinsasayao. And Lake Balinsasayao is 97 meters deep, just shy of 100. So, Ma'am Gimalyn, pila na ka years ga trabaho dire?
Di na lang ko mag-concert kayo undang ko dire, sir.
Pero first nimo nga trabaho dire, like what year man?
Concert una sa 2005.
2005. Oh my gosh.
17 years.
So apparently, guys, one of the folk tales here, naa daw sa una wala pa ni ma-develop ang lake. Naa daw kanang ulo ra ang makita. Ulo ra daw ang makita. Just the head nga mag-swim around the lake. The view here is amazing, guys. As you can see behind me, nag-fog siya. So we are almost in the middle of the lake, guys.
Stroke. Stroke. Stroke.
Alright, guys, we're gonna pass through that channel over there, and that will lead us all the way to the falls. As you're cruising around this lake, guys, you can't help but think there's also a mysterious aspect sa surroundings niya. It almost feels enchanted, di ba?
Yep.
During December, ang tubig moabot jud siya right around there, guys. So, mas mataas pa jud ning lake, mas mulalom pa jud siya. Although during summer, bumaba po siya by 5 meters. Land! Onwards, boys! Nada a new hire nga employee at Twin Lakes. Ano sa ngalan ni mo, sir?
Michael Boss.
Taga-asa man ka, sir?
Taga dira, lalong tubig jud, kuya.
Ilalong tubig. Sige, maayo. At least, dili ka uhawon.
Dili lang, sir.
Di na po kinahanglan maligo. Okay, day kayo mong trip diri, sir.
Kaya nga.
Okay guys, so abot na ta. Once we hop down, it's time to hike to the falls. Thank you. Alright, dry land guys. We have made it to the other side. Now it's time to hike to the waterfalls. Mike found a stick. Yay! Alright guys, now time to hike. Right around 5 to 10 minutes ning a hike. Okay guys, this is actually a good saying. Here, let me show you. Take note. No intelligent species would destroy their own environment. Then again, humans,
What about dolphins?
dolphins don't destroy their environment. They hunt when they need to and that's it. Kaning falls diri, when ni siya na-discover?
Sa pagsugod rin siya na-discover, doon pa rin siya, sir.
Okay, so gamay rin ni siya nga waterfall.
Gamay ra, sir.
And unsay height niya kanang
Ang ambak niya sa tubig, sir, ang ambak sa ng tubig, sir, nas mga 15 feet height din. Ang ikas unsa yung pwedeng liguan, nasa ano ka, pa sir, duharag, tunga, sir, siguro, ana,
2.5 feet?
2.5 meters.
Oh, okay.
nung
About 7 feet.
di ka pwedeng mo dahil,
Yeah.
sir, maligo kay naiba to. Hina ka, langoy-langoy ba?
Okay. So, okay ra pud siya diri i-hike guys kay naaray pathway that will lead you to the falls. I think we're getting close.
Di pa, sir,
So, unahan pa. Alright guys, so we just got to the waterfall. It is so beautiful. Just look at that.
There's a mini jacuzzi.
Wow.
You can swim in the little hole.
Yeah, let's go there actually. This is definitely a hidden gem here sa Lake Valencia, Sayaw. So if ever you guys come here, I honestly think it's worth the trip na moani mo sa falls nila.
Definitely worth the 250.
The water here is nice and cold, so it's definitely worth it. I promise you. It's ice cold actually, guys. Gibiyaan mi sa among guide. I'm gonna try climbing up here, guys. Hold on to the roots. There's the view. I am so happy to be here. The waterfall is so secluded. So as you can see from behind, mingaw jud kay siya here guys. And we are lucky enough nga kamera diri karon. No other tourists around. So we get the whole place to ourselves. If ever you guys decide to come here from Lake Valencia, Sayaw, all you have to do is rent out one of their boats, which is 250 pesos per hour. And to come here to the falls and back, it would take around an hour and a half or 2 hours depending on how long you're gonna stay here. It's super worth it, guys. It's definitely a hidden gem here sa Negros Oriental. Take a dip sa, enjoy the pool, and then I'll get back to you guys. What are you up to?
Trying to get up here.
You're gonna check the other one?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to try to climb up here. Although careful lang jud mo guys. Kay medyo steep ang sakanan and it's very slippery. So you just have to be extra careful here. So that's where we swam ganiha guys. And this is their second one. Pwede pod kaliguan. Alright, now it's time to head down and take a dip on their second pool. There we go.
And safe.
Awesome. Alright, there we go guys. Their second pool. How is it so far, Mike?
Oh, it's so nice and refreshing here.
It was worth the trip, right?
Worth the trip. It's just a 5-minute hike, 25 to 30 minutes boat ride, which is just as fun.
Exactly. Yeah, the boat ride as well was already an adventure.
And then deep
awesome. Woo! Now that was refreshing, guys. So to get down there, you need to walk here or there. But my buddy here found a better way to get down, which I'm about to show you guys. Woo! Oh, that was fun.
Yeah.
Woo!
It's gonna hurt. Oh, that was fun.
Would you recommend this to people who visit Twin Lakes?
No,
No.
no. I'd highly recommend this place.
Highly recommend, guys. You must come here. Please.
Missing out if you're not.
You are missing out a lot if you don't come here, guys. We had so much fun swimming sa waterfalls. Now it's time to head back to the lake. So this is the view you get, guys, once you leave the waterfalls. And right at that direction over there is the main port, which is where we're heading right now. We are back on the boat. Woo! With our guide here.
Hello.
I'm gonna be paddling to shore while my buddy here is just going to relax. Look at that sexy specimen of a man. So guys, magbugsay sa ako. Okay guys, I just talked to Ate Gimalyn here and she mentioned nga pwede ra ang fishing all around this area. And apparently kuno, sometimes you can catch up to 20 kilos nga carp. So if you can imagine, that's a really big fish. Now what's funny is, nanguta namin unsay paon. So what's the proper bait to catch the fish? And I was expecting to get an answer like earthworm or shrimp or kanang normal nga bait ba. But then she mentioned nga budbud balanghoy daw. So ang mga isda dire, they love eating budbud balanghoy. Wow!
Di pa mo kaon kay sir kung walay kalamay.
Okay, so pilian po dahil mga isda diri guys. If walay kalamay o tsokolate, dili sila mukaon na ng imong budbud balanghoy. Ang kutsarag tinidor dili ra. Kuan ra taga dayan budbud balanghoy then anad kalamay. Okay. Og tsokolate. Pero kuan soft drinks usahay. Coke. Para sure jud guys nga makadakop mo gisda. Pwede pod nga aside from bait nga budbud balanghoy, taparan ninyo nag-coke kanang bugnaw. Sure ball jud na, basig 30 ka kilos na inyong madakpan. Pilian jud ang mga isda diri guys. If dili tamis imong budbud balanghoy, they don't want that. Maglisod kag kuha. Pero if tamis daw, dali kayo.
I guess because they can like smell the sweetness or something.
Probably. Or they just, I don't know, do they have taste buds? I don't know.
I can't say.
Guys, all the fish experts out there, do fish have taste buds? Because ganong mas prefer nila ang tamis nga budbud balanghoy kaysa dili tamis. So you can leave that sa comment section if you guys know the answer. Anyways, back to paddling and then I'll see you guys on dry land. Oops.
It's fine if I fall, not you.
Guys, if ever you visit here, inamdumi bawal maligo sa ilang lake. Unless, for some reason, we don't know,
Nahulog ka.
let's say naatas tunga-tunga right now and then nahulog ka. So wala kay choice, so makaligo jud ka sa lake and dili ka kasabaan. Pero that's just in case, di ba?
Importante ra
Be careful. Basta kabalo lang jud mo musalom if magbinuang mo guys.
Lalong sir, paglisod mo jud kuha bisita.
We are almost there guys. Alright, we have arrived. Thank you kayo ate. Ate, imuhan eh. little tip.
Thank you, sir.
Sige. Thank you, kayo.
Salamat, sir.
So if you guys are around here, just look for Ate Gimalyn. Siya mo yung guide ninyo. Really nice guide. We had such a blast.
Thank you, sir.
Sige. Salamat kay Ate ha. Thank you.
Salamat po ninyo, sir.
Okay. By the way guys, napoday fish pa sa ilang port dire. All you have to do is dip your feet and then they start nibbling. Guys, money proof ha nga dagan kay dead skin ang tiil ni Mike. Look at this. It's an infestation. Summon out Mike. All right, that was fun. Bye, Ate. Thank you. That was a fun adventure, guys. So, if ever you guys are here in Negros Oriental, highly recommended that you guys stop by Lake Valencia or Twin Lakes and also try their boat ride to the waterfalls. Today was a fun day. Now it's time to go get lunch. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video and do continue watching all my videos. Anything you have to say, Mike?
The climb is steep, so the ending is gonna leave you breathless.
Literally. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I forgot what I was gonna say.
Probably goodbye.
Yeah, goodbye. That's it for now. I'll see you on my next adventure.